All right, once you're logged in, and just keep in mind the school accounts aren't working very good, and we'll have to get on a lot of communication to get Onshape on board with the ISD. You're going to go to learn.onshape.com, and then this is your dashboard when you're logged in. If you noticed, I'm just getting signed in here. This is a tool that we need to get on due to the fact if we have to go completely remote, you need to know how to use this because we'll still continue on our CAD designs, and we need to know this. So there's a slight learning curve, and we need to kind of catch up on the curve. So once you're on this landing page, your dashboard, you're going to want to find your way to either the picture, which is fundamentals, that's continue learning path, or over on the left hand side it's a drop down, and you can see that you can go to these different ones, right? So if we go to the Onshape fundamentals, it'll take you to this page. So navigating Onshape, this is going to be good to know once you're making multiple components, how to save them, and then how to save them for an assembly. Because if you're used to Fusion's going to act different than SolidWorks. SolidWorks is going to act different than Creo, and we can go on. And Onshape has something that kind of merges them, makes it easy to save, then create your assemblies through all the subfolders. And just to begin today, we're going to start with the self-paced, and we have to make sure that everyone's on the same page with the CAD piece because we're going to be designing things, right? So start with the introduction to sketching. So when I click on that button, here we go. So it's showing that the progress is 5% right here. On the left hand side, it has an outline, which is good because you're like, hey, what am I doing? What am I going to learn in here? And you can actually click on these. So if there's something that you feel like already, then look at it, analyze, see if it is teaching you something new, and if not, it's not new information. So you have to be confident in making the decision like, I don't need that. Then you can move on. So you'll go through the Onshape pieces. It'll show you, here's takeaways, transcript if you want to read. I can read faster than anyone can talk, so sometimes I'll go down to the transcript and read, right? You'll work through the sections, and once you've done that, make sure you're practicing. So practicing is where you're actually going to utilize Onshape to create whatever it is. Okay, so this is the basic navigation of the dashboard, but once you're signed in, this is what it's going to look like. So have fun, and we're all learning it together. This is something new for everyone.